Hello. Hey guys, do you guys want to come into my new house? Am I actually doing this for real? I feel like I'm talking about this house so much online. You guys are just dying to see it. Let's go. Let's come in. We're adulting. We are not in an apartment anymore. What in the fuck is going on? I'm like, this doesn't feel real. It's all white right now. There is nothing in here, no walls painted. I haven't gotten my hands on interior designing it yet, but there are some pieces of furniture in here that are not staying. They're just leftover pieces from our old filming house that me and Gabby used to film out of that we're using temporarily while we film our podcast out of here, so that way people have a place to sit and stuff. And nothing in here is permanent. Just know that I'm gonna literally go crazy with the interior design. Disclaimer done. Now time for the house tour. So this is my staircase that I designed. I'm gonna show you guys the whole staircase when we go upstairs, but this is what you see when you walk in. And you also see this, there's French doors that lead to my little office. It's small, but it's perfect. And I already have a shelf in here and stuff. But one thing I want to point out is the wings coating on the walls. I feel like it makes it look like an older home. And I just wanted it to still have character, even though this is new construction. Entryways are so stylish when you have enough space to actually decorate them. In my apartment, I didn't have an entryway, so I couldn't make an entryway. So I'm excited about that. I'm gonna turn on the fireplace for you guys. It's little things like that that make my day, honestly. I grew up with fireplaces in every room downstairs of my house. The house I grew up in was really old and it was stone and it had hardwood. And even though this is brand new, I wanted it to feel also old. This fireplace is my favorite part of the house, I think. I know it's gonna look so good with all my like furniture, my leather couch. Next is the kitchen. This is my infamous blue kitchen. I'm really excited. We started YouTube with blue hair, now we have a blue kitchen. Cool and warm tones, I'm gonna bring it there. Cool and warm tones look good because they're complementary, and I know I have a lot of warm toned furniture. I did pick these white countertops. We have gold hardware, warm tones, cool tones in the cabinets. All of my furniture is mid-century modern, so I had to like think about that when designing this house because I don't want to have to buy a ton of new furniture. I want everything to go together. This is where I'm gonna put my like circular dining table. I think it fits really well here. I just love how open this is. This is gonna be so great for hosting parties, for filming. I'm just not used to having space like this. This is crazy. So, do you guys want to go to the master bedroom? Because it's downstairs. This is one of the reasons I love being able to design a house, because I was like, I want to roll out of bed and get my coffee. I don't want to go down a set of stairs. So this is the master bedroom. Here we have one closet. It's really big. And then over here, we have another closet. This is the master bedroom. We got a lot of windows, which is great. Now this is the master bathroom. The shower is my favorite part. And we have the gold hardware. We have shelves built into the shower. And I wanna have fun in here. The shower head is also something I put a lot of money into. It literally comes down like rain. And I also have another shower head here. So when I take a shower, I can have water coming from here and just be like, ah. All right, now I forgot to show you guys the laundry room, which is out here. I love it because it has a barn door. This is the laundry room. I just got my new washer dryer. We got Whirlpool washer dryers, which I've heard so much about. I'm so excited. I got these cabinets put in to just, you know, keep all the clutter up here, because in my apartment, all my Tide Pods are like just laying on top of the washer dryer. We have a guest bathroom right here. It's pretty plain, but I love little bathrooms like this because you can go crazy with like wallpaper and just make it like randomly fun, because it's just like a random bathroom and it's so small. Okay, that is the downstairs. Now, time to go upstairs. One of my other favorite parts of this house is that there are 2 living rooms. There's a formal living room that I just showed you, and there's a rec room, something just like comfy that you can like play video games or hang with your friends. Ignore what's sitting here. I'm in the middle of redoing my closet, so that's a vanity. Just a random floating vanity. And it's also like a step up. I just think the layout of this house is so different, and that's what made me most excited when building it. We have the podcast room right here. Hey guys, I'm Niki.
And I'm Gabi.
And we're the opposite twins.
Hi guys, I'm Niki. And I'm Gabi. And we're the opposite twins.
So yeah, we've been filming out of here without me living in it, which is so interesting. This bathroom has been used a lot because we've been filming the podcast out of here, so it's kind of lived in. We have black cabinets, these like salt and pepper looking countertops. I can't wait to change the lighting in here, and I can't wait to add wallpaper. This is a guest bedroom. We're in the middle of putting it together, and I also just want guests to come stay here while I move in, so we're putting this room together first. Last but not least, I'm gonna show you guys my room closet. You guys know it isn't a Niki Demar channel without a closet room, and I'm in the middle of redoing it right now. There's paint swatches in here, but there's no furniture that I put together in here yet, but this is the new closet room. So yeah, that is my house. What do you guys think? Like, this is crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed this. There's gonna be so many vlogs. This is literally the start. I wanted to show you guys an empty house tour before we started moving, so that way you guys aren't too sad about the move. I've seen so many comments saying you guys are gonna miss the apartment, and I'm gonna miss it so much too. But I also wanna get you guys excited because it's a very bittersweet feeling knowing how exciting this house is, but also knowing that we're leaving the apartment. I feel like I'm breaking news to my kids. Like, this is the new house, we're gonna be living in it. I'm so fucking excited. I want you guys to get excited. But with that being said, we gotta say some byes, and that's the apartment, and that's gonna be crazy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys are excited. I'm excited. And we're gonna start this crazy moving process together. I love you guys so much. Subscribe, press your notifications, stream my new song Pregame. It just came out. And make some TikToks to it because I'm duetting them and reposting them on Instagram. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.